Today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful set I made using Born Pretty products. I used the rubber base number 16 and they were so kind and sent me these products, and I had an absolute blast making this nail set. So we're just going in with the Gel X method, making sure not to get any of that gel past your natural nail. Then I'm just going to ombre this gorgeous indigo color. It's number CG049. Then I'm going to use their 6-in-1 glue and mix it with some of this gorgeous glitter that I got from Just Nikki. I'm just going to float that around the cuticle. I'm going to do it a little bit thicker because I just think it's gorgeous and I like it. And then I just wanted to do this effect where there is a cuff around the cuticle area, and so cute. Oh my gosh. So I just did one first layer, cured it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with the thicker layer on top and refining that line around the cuticle. Then I'm going to take this cool little sponge tool that I absolutely love, and we are going to just pat that on to the edge of the nail, and then I'm going to save that ombre and that glitter by just encapsulating it in clear builder gel. And this is the look, and it came out gorgeous. Everything is linked in the description box, and don't forget to check out my affiliate code and save some coins. I'll see you in my next video.